What's going on to all my friends on Facebook and Instagram and my YouTube subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. Today's thoughts of a rat bastard with Lieutenant Panther. Our thoughts on the new generation truck drivers versus old school truck drivers. Yes. Today's video is sponsored by Strap Hangers Bar and Grill, 126 Anderson Street, Hackensack, New Jersey. They're open from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. Monday through Saturday. And on Sunday, they're open from 10 a.m., but there's no alcohol, will not be served until 12 o'clock p.m. Let's go Team Strap. Yeah. Today's thoughts on old school truck drivers versus new truck drivers. Yeah, it's kind of fucked up. But we're going to do our ritual. But even though that Lieutenant Panther is the star of the show right here. Yeah, I know you guys missed us. Yeah, the last video that I posted up, the electric fucking fire trucks. Yeah, YouTube says, oh, it's not child, G-rated. Really, screw that. But it is what it is. We're gonna try to keep it G-rated tonight, but we don't edit these videos. We don't give a fuck. So we're gonna do a ritual. Lieutenant Panther has his big tall boy. Oh yeah, and so do I. Yeah. And of course, a big shout out to Keegan, who loves the Slim Jims like we do. Anyway. We all know what's going on in the economy today. We know what's going on with the gas prices. Don't even get me started. Right, Lieutenant Panther? Yeah. Price of cigarettes going up. The price of food going up. And everybody says this country's doing good. Really? Okay. I was born 27 minutes ago. Kiss my ass. So all you fucking trolls are gonna be putting down in the fucking comments is like, no, it's not Joe Biden's fault. Okay. It's not Joe Biden's fault. Whatever. We're gonna do a vlog style. Not the obnoxious kind of thing. Video. My parents are sleeping. I always look out for my mom and my dad. regardless. our thoughts of a red bastard with Lieutenant Panther versus new generation truck drivers and versus old school truck drivers. Yeah. Ow! Come on, anyway. Lieutenant Panther and I are on our routine patrol. As always. Yeah. I got the guy coming in there is like new generation truck drivers. Like, oh yeah. And I'm like, he pulls up, like, okay, he hands me the paperwork. And this motherfucker decides to back into a fucking duck. And I'm like, what the fuck? Am I right, Lieutenant Panther? I gotta do a quietly video. Alright, alright. Parking in the yard. Whatever. And this goes to the truck drivers that don't speak English. Yeah, you motherfuckers. How in the fuck can you drive a truck that don't speak English? Not speak English. Yeah. We'll get to that later in this video. How in the fuck these impatient fucking new generation truck drivers are like, oh, I need to get in, I gotta make a delivery. What the fuck? The fucking thing is, when I started driving a truck, it's about old school and respect. You had to learn English. You had to know everything when I was grandfathered in. Way back in the early 2000s, yeah, I was grandfathered in, this and that. You knew how to do this, you knew how to do that. These motherfuckers, man. These fucking new generation truck drivers don't give a fuck about anybody. Don't they fucking know that everything is scheduled by appointment? Yeah, okay. Regardless to that fact. Oh yeah, Keegan, I can actually, oh no, I can pull a Slim Jim apart. Yeah. Well, it just kind of pisses me off. You know, electric fire trucks, electric tractors that hauls our food and all that kind of shit. And then you got these other assholes. These are the assholes. They're like, oh, we want our electric cars. Yeah, they're ramming it down our fucking throat. Like, fucking really. Okay. For all you fucking idiots out there who complain about the fucking gas prices, the people who ride fucking scooters or... Like, really? Complaining about the fucking fuel prices. They ride on the fucking scooters, driving these fucking Teslas. Oh, Biden wants to ram it down our fucking throats. For all you fucking idiots who hate gas-powered cars, complaining about the greenhouse emissions. That kind of shit. These people, these new truck drivers are coming into the new world of trucking. They're like, oh, I gotta make a delivery. No. It's all about based on appointments. You got this, that, blah, blah, blah. They don't give a fuck. And for all you fucking truck drivers out there, yeah, non-speaking fucking English motherfuckers, truck drivers, how the fuck did you get your fucking CDL? No speak English, no speak English. Really. When I Lieutenant Panther and I came across with a guy, he was like, I don't speak English, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay. And Lieutenant Panther and I told him, how the fuck did you get your fucking CDL? How the fuck can you drive a fucking tractor trailer? And I don't speak English, Really? How the fuck can you obey the fucking signs there in English? You fucking spick motherfucking new generation truck drivers. What the fuck? Did you go to fucking CDL school to learn how to drive a truck and you took this test in fucking Spanish? Whoa! For all you other assholes out there, yes, I'm Hispanic. My mother comes from Santo Domingo. She's Spanish. She can speak English and Spanish. Okay? So, I don't want you assholes going down in all you fucking trolls going down in the fucking comment. Bullshit. How in the fuck you come into our fucking country and you're driving a fucking tractor trailer and then speak English? Bullshit. You motherfuckers, I'm coming after all the fucking non-speaking fucking new generation truck drivers, because Lieutenant Panther and I are coming after you. Okay. You don't want to learn, you don't want to speak Spanish because you come across me because I'm Spanish? I'm going to tell you something right now, you motherfuckers. I was born in 1976. My mom work night shift. What the hell is this? Whatever. She didn't have time to teach me Spanish because she was supporting to take care of me when I was a little boy. Now, I don't speak English. When I talk to this fucking guy today, the lieutenant, no, go over here, go over there. He goes, yeah. It's like, how the fuck did you get your CDL? You don't even speak a fucking word of English. I go, yeah. I go, yeah. Yeah, motherfucker, you know how to speak English because you refuse to fucking speak it. This is the new world of fucking truck drivers are gonna get the fucking food on the shelves versus old school truck drivers myself. Fuck you. Fuck you. I just don't understand it. How in the fuck can these assholes get these fucking their CDLs? Oh, the mustache is not looking right. I'm not discriminating against the Spanish community because I was born and raised. Okay, look at this. Okay, you see how white I am? Okay, look over here. We're not created equal. Okay? On my father's side, I am I'm Irish. I'm an American Indian. Yeah. So everybody wants to go on their ancestors ancestors.com and find out what their true heritage is. I think I have another fucking Slim Jim because let's see if this fucking thing opens up. Come on. Oh, God damn it. What the fuck? This is my next video to Keegan. How the fuck you open this shit? Sometimes you peel it back and now I got this fucking problem. Come on. So, yeah, like again, back to what Lieutenant Panther and I are saying. White, Spanish, Irish, German, a little bit of Italian. So why in the fuck are these new generation fucking truck drivers that don't fucking speak English? How the fuck did they get that fucking CDL? Really? Just beyond me. Leave a comment down below on my brothers and sister truck drivers. Old school. Because I don't want to read in the comments about the new school truck drivers that don't speak a fucking word English, but they know how to speak English because they refuse to. Leave a comment down below, because I'm going to come after you. Because my brothers and sister truck drivers back in the day know how to drive a truck. They know the rules and regulations and the DOT regulations. These fucking people. What? They don't know shit. You fucking new generation truck drivers don't know shit. Yeah. Because your brokers are fucking you in the ass. And I take it highly offensive for all you fucking non-speaking truck drivers, new school truck drivers, versus the old. Yeah, because you deal with coyote. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm not disrespecting my Spanish heritage. Okay, so any of you assholes or you fucking trolls who want to put down in the comments and say, oh, you're a fucking racist. I'm not a fucking racist. Lieutenant Panther and I are not a fucking racist. It's fucking reality. Oh, my bus is fucking bullshit. If it wasn't for truck drivers, if it wasn't for fucking truck drivers, this fucking Slim Jim that I'm enjoying right now would not exist. This can of beer would not exist if it wasn't transported by truck. Everything is transported by truck. This is transported by truck. The clothes we wear, our glasses, are transported by truck. So anyway, so that's a fucking lesson to you fucking new generation truck drivers. I'm just starting out. I got to well. No. In the new age, everything is done by Coyote. Fuck Coyote that drove me out of the trucking business and everybody else on that matter. So here's a message to all you fucking new generation truck drivers that are just starting out. Oh, Coyote. Guess what? Newsflash. Coyote is going to phase out all the fucking owner-operator truck drivers. Because Coyote wants to take over everything. So all you non-speaking fucking truck drivers who know how to speak English, all you Spanish people that try to pull that shit with me, it's not gonna fly. Yana, I don't disrespect. I come from a Spanish family. My mother's Dominican. She came into this country legally. She worked all her life. She was in New York. She learned how to speak English. So, for all you fucking motherfuckers out there that think that, oh, my fucking videos are offensive or YouTube, I'm telling you the truth. Okay? Open the borders. Open this. Open that. Yeah. Okay? COVID's at an all-time high. The stock market is down in the toilet. The fucking diesel fuel is at $6 a gallon. It's going to hit $7 a gallon. On top of that, mind you, that our food supply is going to Mexico. Our meat, everything is going over. And 70% of our meat going overseas. So, all you fucking trolls, I want to comment down below. Comment down below. Because Lieutenant Panther and I are going to make another video. Look what's going on. The stock market in the toilet. People ride scooters. Oh, it's not Biden's fault. Bullshit. Wake up, America. Wake up, America. You think January 6th was a problem? Because you don't want because you people, okay, because of the voting, or because of COVID, because this and that. Trump ran the country like a business. Okay? Regardless. I don't like talk. Lieutenant Panther and I don't like talking about politics. Don't fuck with our guns. Yeah. Don't fuck with our money. Don't go there. Wake up, America. Truckers Convoy 2022 in Canada. We respected them for what they did. Now, rising fuel prices. How in the fuck you're going to get food on the shelves, medical supplies, anything, beer for that matter, cookies on the shelves? No. Biden's doing a good job. Bullshit. Look at today's stock market. The Dow Jones Industrials closed down 880 points. We didn't have that shit when Trump was in office. Yeah. But anyway. There's a shortage of diesel exhaust fluid. There's a shortage of car parts. Let's see. There's a shortage of every fucking thing, even including tires. Need new tires? Oh, they're on back order. You need a part for your, something with your car, and it needs a tire sensor because your tire sensor light is on. It's on back order. Bullshit. So all you fucking idiots who are in the fucking, who's pushing for and jamming it down our throats, electric vehicles. Guess what? It's not happening. So you can complain and bitch and moan about the fucking gas prices. Yeah, I'm bitching and moaning like everybody else are complaining. But guess what? Your electric fucking vehicles that you're trying to fucking ram down our fucking throats about? What's gonna happen when your fucking battery doesn't charge anymore? Ooh, California. I'm pointing you out, California. Yeah, it's gonna happen in Nevada. Yeah. They're gonna have rolling blackouts. What the fuck are you fucking idiots are gonna fucking do when you have rolling blackouts in California and in Nevada? Greenhouse emissions. Oh, it's so bad for the environment. Yeah, go ahead. Leave a comment down below. Go ahead. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. So, you fucking idiots who drives electric cars, like TK's Garage said, you go like, oh, how am I gonna charge my electric, beautiful, clean, you motherfuckers and TK Garage, even though, check out his channel, give him a like, subscribe to his channel, and he's a veteran, okay? So all you fucking trolls are gonna be, how am I gonna charge my electric vehicle? Oh, there's a blackout. How the fuck am I gonna get from point A to point B? Yeah. You're gonna Uber somewhere to the Home Depot and get a gas-powered generator. Like, I gotta charge my car. I can't build my house. Yeah, so along with your electric fire truck. Yeah, it's a hybrid. Rosenbauer. Yeah, it's powered by a diesel engine. Fuck you. So, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video on Facebook. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Lieutenant Panther and I will catch you on the next one. You know?